If you are a YouTube creator, you already know that YouTube Shorts are good for getting new views and subscribers, but they can be a real pain for getting viewers to watch your other videos. You can get thousands of views on a short, but how can you get those people to see another one of your YouTube videos? This is a feature that allows you to link your short directly to another one of your videos. It puts a clickable link right in the shorts player under your video while it's playing, so your viewers can go straight to another video without searching for it. This is a game changer for growing your channel because it's effectively free extra additional views. We can do this in a few clicks. You can follow along with me on my phone now. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. In the bottom right hand corner, you will see your profile picture or avatar. Click on it. This takes you to your profile. Now scroll down to the section labelled Your Videos. Right at the top, you'll see these buttons. We want to click on Shorts to see all of our shorts. Now find the shorts that you want to link to another video. I want this one. Next to the title of the short, you'll see these three dots. They're easily missed. We'll click on here to bring up this menu. On here, select Edit. This takes us to the video details page with all these different options. We need the section labelled Related Video. Click on Related Video, and that brings up a list of your latest public and unlisted videos. Find the video that you want it to link to and select it. It can be another YouTube short or a long form video. Click on the Save button at the top right hand corner of the screen. Congratulations! When someone watches your shorts, they will now see a clickable link to your other video right under your channel name and above the title of the video. This is the fastest and easiest way to help a viewer from the shorts feed see your other videos and maybe turn them into a subscriber. If this video is helping your YouTube shorts, thank you for saying hi in the comments below or hitting the thumbs up button. And if you subscribe by clicking on my face, I have lots of other videos about how I'm earning thousands of dollars from the videos on my 2 YouTube channels. Good luck with your YouTube shorts.